Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Acura TLX key battery. First, gather your tools, a small flathead screwdriver and a fresh CR 2032 battery. Next, locate the small release button on the side of your key fob. Press this button firmly and then pull out the emergency key. This step is crucial for accessing the battery compartment. With the emergency key removed, you'll see a small slot. Insert your flathead screwdriver into this opening. Gently twist the screwdriver to carefully pry apart the two halves of the key fob. Take your time with this step to avoid damaging the plastic casing. Once separated, you'll expose the internal components. Now observe the old battery's orientation. Typically, the positive side faces up. Use your small screwdriver to gently pry out the old CR 2032 battery. Be careful not to scratch any internal circuits. Once removed, insert the new CR 2032 battery, ensuring the positive side is facing upwards, just like the old one. It should click into place. Finally, align the two halves of your key fob and press them firmly together until they click securely into place. Reinsert the emergency key back into its slot until it locks. Test your key fob to ensure it functions correctly. For more great tips and deals, including a link to a fantastic book about money, check the description below this video. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.